Namaskaram. Welcome to the Pranic Food Recipes channel. The intention to create this channel is to bring awareness into people about pranic and raw food. After eating a pranic and raw food, we become more active, alert and energetic. So don't forget to subscribe to Pranic Food Recipe channel. Namaskaram everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make a banana groundnut shake. It is a protein shake. It is very positive pranic, nutritious and very delicious and very easy to make. Only thing is you have to soak groundnuts overnight. Sadhguru suggests to eat soaked groundnuts in your morning meal. So from now on, what you can do, you can make a habit of soaking groundnuts daily in night, so that next day morning you can eat those groundnuts along with your meal, or you can make this delicious shake. Also, sometimes when you don't have time to eat or you are getting late for office, then you can drink this shake. It will after drinking this shake, you will not feel hungry for about 4 to 5 hours. So let's start. The ingredients are 1 medium cup peanuts, 4 small bananas, 1/4 bowl fresh coconut. So let's soak the peanuts overnight or about 6 hours. Peanuts soaked for overnight. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Pranic Food Recipe channel. Also don't forget to check my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter page of Soma Hatha Yoga. Also check out somahathayoga.com for upcoming Hatha Yoga workshops.